Imagine if there is an easy and fast method to generate a whopping $400 in just a few minutes. And when I say easy, I mean that 95% of the work is done for you. Just by clicking on a few buttons, you can start earning up to $3,500 daily. The website that I'll be sharing with you is free and you don't need to invest at all. This method is also available worldwide, so whatever country you reside in, this opportunity is available for you. Don't miss out on this chance to make money online at the comfort of your home. Make sure you stay tuned till the end so you can be guided on your money-making journey. The website that will help you earn money on complete autopilot is called Kickbooster. You can visit kickbooster.me to check it out. On the website homepage, it says Software Solutions for Crowdfunding Creators. If you're wondering how this website works, basically Kickbooster is a division of Bold Commerce that is dedicated to creating the most powerful and effective solutions to help project creators bring their ideas to life. It's a market full of different projects that creators can promote with the help of affiliates. That's exactly what we're going to do today. Now your attention is needed here because the sign-up process may be a bit confusing. Once you're on the website's homepage, come over to the Users button. It will show you different user options to choose from. I want you to click the Affiliates button. The link will take you to a different page where you can read more information about the method that we would be doing. So when you are going to become a Kickbooster affiliate marketer, you'll simply create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link. To start as an affiliate marketer on Kickbooster, you just need to follow 4 easy steps. Don't worry, you don't need special skills or experience. Anyone can implement these steps. For the first step, it's important to sign up for an account, and you can do that in just 2 minutes. While the second step basically tells you to browse through different project categories that you can share and make money on. As for the third step, spread the word by generating your affiliate link and sharing it through social media. For the fourth and final step, you will get paid by earning commission on every pledge that comes from your affiliate link. It's very simple, right? Now let's proceed to the sign-up process to get started. Just click on the purple button because that link will take you to the sign-up page. This is what the sign-up page should look like. Here you can just put your name and your email address. Below that, make sure that you have your PayPal account ready, and that is because this website uses PayPal as their payment method. For the referral code, just leave it blank. Don't forget to type in your password and to confirm it. Then agree to their terms of use and privacy policy by clicking this box right here. Once you're done with that, just submit your information. If you're done with the sign-up process, you'll see something like this on your screen. The next thing that I want you to do is to click on the Marketplace. Once you're on the Marketplace page, you can see different projects and campaigns that you can promote and share with everyone to earn a lot of commissions. Pay attention here as I will be sharing with you the categories that will help you make a lot of money on Kickbooster. The first tip that I want to share with you is by heading over to the category section, which can be found on the left side. Here you will see different categories like beauty and personal care, design, education, fashion, and more. Note that it is important to focus on one category first when you're just getting started. You can choose among these 3 categories: design, health, and technology. Just choose any of these 3 categories as they will aid you in earning a lot of money. Once you're done clicking those buttons, they would automatically filter the marketplace for you. The second tip that I can give you guys is by sorting the marketplace according to its commission, high to low. Just click this Sort By button. Now the most profitable campaign is right on your screen. These campaigns will help you create a lot of commissions, resulting in you earning more money. Isn't that incredible? As an example, I will be promoting this campaign. In this case, we will be promoting a new technological gadget, which is a 4G GPS tracker. On the right side, you can see how much money people have already generated by promoting this campaign. So if you scroll down to the products page, you can see more information about how it works. You can also see its selling price. Now, if someone buys this product from your affiliate link, you will get a 10% commission directly from the product's selling price. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is just share your unique affiliate link, sit back, relax, and share it with everyone around the world. If you've already decided that this is the campaign you're going to promote, go back over to the marketplace and click the Boost This Campaign button. Now, once you go back to your dashboard, you'll be able to see the referral link that you need to share to get huge commissions. Now that we're done with grabbing our affiliate link, the next step that we have to do is to share the affiliate link online. I'll show you a trick on Quora that can get you a lot of commissions. So visit the Quora website and sign up instantly with your Google or Facebook account. Now, this platform is actually very reliable for affiliate marketing. You can just simply reply to different people's posts to promote your link. Or even better, create your own post. This is guaranteed to get you more commissions than replying to other people's posts. Just remember to explore the categories that are talking about technology, wireless connections, lost and found, etc. To make your Quora posts a lot more interesting, you can see the button in your Kickbooster dashboard that says Download Media Kit. Now, this Media Kit is very helpful if you want people to see the actual product, so they'll be enticed to buy from your affiliate link. Remember, the more they get to see the product, the more likely they'll buy it. Another easier option would be to use the Facebook platform. I know you have a Facebook account, so this will be so much easier for you. What I want you to do is research on technology lovers on Facebook and find groups that you can share your affiliate link with. Remember, the more people in the group, the more people will get to see and click on your affiliate link. If you want to earn more, you can use both Quora and Facebook to share your affiliate links. I guarantee that you will get more commissions by doing this. Do you want to learn how you can earn $320 per image you copy? Click here! Thank you for staying tuned. This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.